Today we have a Seth Thomas 1865 Ogee clock. It's a 30-hour key wind. This is a beautiful clock. I know I say beautiful a lot, I also say amazing a lot. This is both of them, beautiful and amazing. It's just a great example of the Ogee clock of the mid to late 1800s. Very popular. They had 30-hour clocks and 8-day clocks. Ogee clocks are called Ogee because of this corner. This corner is an Ogee corner in architectural terms. Also, it's not true on all of them, but this actually has an Ogee face too. It's got that little bump, and there's one down here. This is an Ogee corner. Goes in to out, or out to in, depending how you look at it. But that is why they're called Ogee clocks. This is a reverse glass, or reverse painted glass of a boy and a dog. It is Seth Thomas. You'll know how easy that is to find in a minute. Look at that. Seth Thomas, warranted good. Can you imagine? Purchasing something like this today. Always look inside clocks. You never know what you're going to find. I've found some interesting things in some clock parts. Here's a label for the owners. So let's go with 1875. Also, it says it under there, but it doesn't always, and sometimes there's a cover there, especially when there's an alarm. But there are the weights. It's weight driven. There are two weights. One is tucked up in there. The other is tucked up over here. This is for the strike. That's for the time. They come through the top right there. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can. Yep. Right there. Come through the top on wooden spools. This is a beautiful clock, right? Reverse paint. I'm going to get right to it because my battery is low. It appears to be walnut. It really looks like walnut, which is pretty common for this age of a clock. Very little wrong with this thing. Okay, I'm going to take the face off just to show you the movement. It's like magic. Okay. I can let you watch it run. The only thing is my battery's running low. So you can see where the weights go, and the wooden pulleys, or wooden, oh look at that, it's probably from moving it. The wooden spools that they ride on, the ropes. It's almost 11 o'clock. This one chimes only on the hour. So we'll get one chime at 11. Getting close. 12 o'clock. You can watch the fan, and this is the count wheel. Thank you for watching.